Uh, Today, we are all glorified to our Jesus Christ, God. Why? Because Mr. Benjamin and Gentina, this is a God's plan. We don't know how we are prepared. Gods are prepared in the heaven. Marriages are made by heaven.
Yes.
We don't know, but God is prepare each other, Gentina and Benjamin. So this is a good day. We are all glad to this time, and this celebration is very enjoying. All are you? We are comes from India very long distance,
Thank you.
but this celebration are we got all risks.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. I sing one chorus.
Thank you, sir.
This is the day. This is the day. Let us clap up, all of you. This is the day. This is the day that the Lord has made. That the Lord has made. We will rejoice.
Mari kita bersukaria
and be glad. This is the day that the Lord has made. We will rejoice and be glad. This is the day.
Hari ini harinya Tuhan.
Terima tangan dia.
This is the day. This
Hari
is the
ini
day. Lord has made.
Malatema.
Thank you.
Sama-sama Kristen
Thank you,
Dohita.
one and all.
Okay. Thank you for my family. Okay. Malatema di hamuna hula-hula.